Hey beauties, winter is here, and that means dry, dull skin if we're not careful. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing my affordable winter skincare routine for super hydrated, glowing skin, and the best part? You don't need a single drop of makeup to look radiant. Whether your skin is dry, sensitive, or just in need of some extra TLC, these steps and products will help your skin stay soft, plump. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment your favorite winter skincare product, and subscribe for more tips, routines, and skincare secrets. Stay cozy, stay glowing. Let's begin. Step 1, gentle cleanser. We start with cleansing, the most important step in any routine. I love using CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, a gentle, fragrance-free cleanser that contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Ceramides help restore your skin's natural barrier, while hyaluronic acid pulls in moisture to keep skin soft and plump. Massage it onto damp skin and rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water can strip your skin and make it dry. Step 2, hydrating toner. Next is toner. I use Klairs Supple Preparation Unscented Toner, which is packed with plant extracts and soothing ingredients. It balances your skin's pH, strengthens the moisture barrier, and preps your skin to absorb the next steps better. Just pat a few drops onto your face for a refreshing boost of hydration. Step 3, serum. Now, for the serum. I love the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, which is a hydration superhero. Hyaluronic acid draws water into the skin for a plump, dewy look, while vitamin B5 soothes and supports skin repair. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto slightly damp skin and gently press in. Step 4, moisturizer. Moisturizer is essential to lock in all that hydration. I use Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, which contains hyaluronic acid and glycerin for deep hydration without feeling greasy. It absorbs quickly and keeps skin soft for hours. For very dry skin, CeraVe Moisturizing Cream is also amazing. It contains ceramides and niacinamide to restore the skin barrier. Massage it in upward strokes for best results. Step 5, eye cream. For the delicate under-eye area, I apply the Inkey Caffeine Eye Cream. It contains caffeine, which reduces puffiness and dark circles, and peptides that support elasticity. Just a pea-sized amount gently tapped in with your ring finger is enough to keep the eyes hydrated and refreshed. Step 6, lip care. Don't forget your lips. Winter dries them out faster than any other season, so I use Nivea lip butter, enriched with shea butter and vitamin E, to keep them soft, smooth, and nourished. Apply generously and reapply throughout the day. Step 7, sunscreen, even in winter. And finally, sunscreen, even in winter. Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 50 is lightweight, non-greasy, and protects against harmful UVA and UVB rays. It contains Helioplex technology for broad-spectrum protection and keeps your skin safe while maintaining hydration. Apply it as the last step in your morning routine.